Hello and welcome. This guide will explain how to connect a local Git repository that is on your computer to a remote repository hosted on GitHub. It is a step-by-step tutorial for beginners. First, let's talk about the local repository. This is where your project lives on your own machine. It is a complete directory with all your project's files and a hidden subdirectory called .git. This .git folder tracks every single change, creating a full history of your project right on your computer. Next, we have the remote repository. Think of this as a public or shared version of your project, stored on a server like the ones provided by GitHub. It acts as a central point for collaboration, allowing multiple people to work on the same project. It is also a safe backup of your work. Your first step is to go to your GitHub account and create a brand new repository. You will need to give it a name. It is very important that you create a completely empty repository. This means you should not add a readme file, a license, or a gitignore file during the creation process on GitHub. Once your empty repository is created on GitHub, the next screen will show you a URL. You should copy the HTTPS version of this URL. This unique address points directly to your remote repository on GitHub's servers. We will need this address for the next step. Now open a terminal or command prompt and navigate into your local project's directory. Here, you will run a specific Git command, git remote add origin, followed by the HTTPS URL you just copied. This command creates a connection, or a link, between your local repository and the remote one on GitHub. We use the name origin as a shorthand for the remote's URL. To make sure the connection was successful, you can use the command git remote-v. This command will display a list of all the remote repositories your local project is connected to. You should see the name origin listed with the URL for both fetching and pushing. The final step is to upload your local code to GitHub. You do this with the command git push-u origin main. This sends all of your committed files and history from your local main branch to the origin remote. The -u flag sets things up so that in the future, you can simply type git push. And that is it. Your local repository is now successfully connected to your remote repository on GitHub. You can now easily share your work, collaborate with others, and keep your project safely backed up in the cloud.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.